Hello friends. In today's video, we're analyzing PARTI Coin, its price movement after the Binance listing, and whether it has the potential to reach $1. PARTI coin has been listed on Binance for 3 days now, and we're already seeing significant price action. On the 1-hour chart, the price is trading within a symmetrical triangle, meaning a breakout is coming soon. The question is, will it pump or dump? Let's break it down. In the past 24 hours, PARTI's price has dropped by 10%, and its market cap is sitting around $879 million. Trading volume has also dropped by 55%, which signals lower buying activity. Currently, only 20–25% of the total supply is in circulation. Looking at technical indicators, the 1-month, 1-week, and 1-day charts all show a bearish trend. On the 4-hour chart, the price is still inside the symmetrical triangle, but the overall structure is weak. On the 1-hour chart, the triangle has already broken down, and if it closes below a key level, the trend could become even more bearish. For PARTI to reach $1, we need increased demand and hype, a bullish crypto market, more exchange listings and ecosystem growth. Right now, the short-term trend is bearish, but in crypto, anything can happen. Let me know in the comments. Do you think PARTI can hit $1? If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more crypto updates. See you in the next one.